All right, so first of all, I'm going to do the positive terminal over here. So warming it up and adding some solder. And then I'm going to do the negative terminal over here, warming it up, adding some solder. Now the switch. Hold on a second, let me make sure the switch is all the way in. Yep. So again, warming this section up, adding a little bit of solder. Again, don't add too much solder. And then right here where the wire connects. Now we make sure that's bent over far enough. This one could be a little tricky. It looks like it's a little bit far away from each other. But warming it up. And connecting it across. Making sure that's well connected. And you know what? I'm going to actually just solder this one switch contact to the board as well, just to give it some stability. Like that. There we go. Now if you look, we've got our LED lighted, and if you move the switch over, it should turn off. So you can very quickly check to see if your circuit's working.